This is one of the most misunderstood insurance states in the country. New Hampshire doesn't require drivers to carry car insurance, and a lot of people hear that and think they found a loophole.
Right. They assume no requirement means no real risk. If the state doesn't force you to buy insurance, it must not be that important.
And that's where the trap is. New Hampshire is still an at-fault state, so if you cause an accident, you're personally responsible for the damage. Medical bills, vehicle repairs, legal claims, none of that disappears just because insurance was optional.
So someone can be driving legally, uninsured, and still be on the hook for everything if something goes wrong.
Exactly, and people don't realize how fast those costs stack up. One injury claim can run into the tens of thousands of dollars before you even factor in lawsuits or lost wages.
And once that happens, there's no rewind button.
None. That's why many New Hampshire drivers voluntarily carry insurance, even though it's not required. Coverage limits like 25, 50, 25, or higher aren't about compliance. They're about protecting your finances and your future.
Uninsured drivers must also be a bigger issue here, since insurance isn't mandatory.
Huge issue. When insurance is optional, uninsured motorist coverage becomes critical. If someone without insurance hits you, that coverage is what steps in to protect you. Without it, you're paying out of pocket for someone else's mistake.
So the freedom of not carrying insurance actually increases the risk from both directions.
Exactly. You're exposed if you cause an accident, and you're exposed if someone else does. That's the part people don't think through when they hear no insurance required.
And the irony is that coverage in New Hampshire is often more affordable than people expect.
Especially when you shop the market. Different carriers price New Hampshire risk very differently, and grabbing the first quote usually means overpaying or underinsuring.
So the real mistake isn't buying insurance, it's assuming you don't need it.
Exactly. You still need protection, even when the law gives you a choice.
Don't wait for an accident to find out what the choice really costs. Click our quote button to compare New Hampshire car insurance options and see what real protection looks like.
Protect your freedom, your finances. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.